Hi everyone, it's Bex from Bexley Creations here, and today we have an unboxing. I'm pretty sure this is from the AZQSD store. This one has taken quite a while to get here. Now, the bag does have some rips in it. Box is rather squashed. I don't know if you can see that, but very squashed. But hopefully everything inside is okay. It's a bit of canvas, a toolkit, and our gems. The box is empty. So let me just get my little sheet here. So this is, or it should be, one of the special gem kits. It's a wolf. Now this was ordered on the 11th of October. It didn't ship until the 18th of October. And then I've only received it today, which is the 20th of November. So it took a while to ship and took a while to get here. This should be a 40 by 50 partial with the special gems, and it cost me $23.16 with free shipping. So here's our toolkit. Now I know AZQSD is one of the branches of Houlican apparently. So we've got the clear pen with the sparkles in it, the blue grippy. It has a single placer and a 3-placer. White tray with a funnel, 2 pieces of wax, thin tweezers, and there's also a multi-placer. I think that might be a 9. I don't know. Not that I need them for this one because it should be a special gem piece. Now, so they've taped it, but they've also taped, like, the cover plastic is quite long, so there's nowhere to sort of start it. Here we go. Oh. Now, being one with a plastic cover, it shouldn't be too wrinkled or creased or anything. It was around a foam roller. But yeah, any of these creases you see are usually just in the cover plastic. So there is one crease going across the middle here. I'll turn it over. You can see this. So hopefully just laying it flat under some other paintings will help with that. But it hasn't affected any of the glue, so it's very big. I'm having trouble fitting it in frame. Go this way. Let me just lift you up a bit. So this is the picture. I've seen this one in like black and grey, but I preferred him in the colour. So you've got some areas where there's some bigger gems, and then you've got your lines where the smaller gems go. It's very clear. The plastic down the bottom here looks like it's been folded because it's only sticking to the drill area. So these bits here are just sort of flapping around, so I may end up even just trimming those off when I'm working on it. Okay, let's take a look at the crystals and make sure they're all there. I've had other special gem kits arrive that were missing colours, or so let's take a look here. So these are all in a joined packet. So it's numbers 1 through 9. So red, yellow, dark blue, medium blue, and like a lighter blue, some green. Oh, that's not even in focus, I'm so sorry. So some very pretty colours. And then you've got your special gems. So there's these round sparkly ones. And then the same sort of thing but in a teardrop shape. Got some blue teardrop. 2 of these large red ones. So hopefully I don't lose them because I need exactly 2. And then some shiny orange teardrops. So colours 1 through 9, and then we have, okay, they're not numbered, these special ones, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So everything is there. There's only one key and it's at the top right, so I may end up making a photocopy of that so that when I'm working on, say, down the bottom here and I can't see the top, I can know what the symbols correspond to. So everything's there. Canvas is in good condition. Again, this was from the AZQSD store. They did take quite a while to ship it, and it did take quite a while to get here, but I guess shipping times are going to get worse now that we're getting closer to Christmas. So yeah, can't really fault this one on anything. So it was $23.16 and everything is here. So I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button and be notified when I post a video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.